what I'm finding is more with the tech help wanted ad is they don't answer the phone and they don't respond and they go dark. Some guys will answer immediately. It's weird because some guys will answer immediately. We'll get into a conversation. And if they're not the right fit, I don't invite them in.
If you get on the phone with somebody and you're feeling like it's not the right fit, try to just ask them questions to get more info on that. If you've already decided like you're not going to hire them, try to ask questions of like, hey, what made you interested in the ad in the first place? Like ask questions like that. Because if you're like, I'm not going to hire this guy, start probing to get more info that we can improve the campaign with. Because patterns are kind of the only thing that we have. So if you're like, I'm not going to hire this guy, just see what you can get out of him and see if you can ask questions. Yeah. Like I'm just trying to think of questions you could ask. Like what made him interested in applying? Like what's his lifestyle like what brought him to here in the first place? Like what about the ad made you want to click? What are you hoping to, what are your goals with this? Like what made you interested in a duct cleaning position? Like anything at all. Just so we can get some idea. Or instead of just like a broad pool where you got to go through 100 to find one, hopefully you can go through like 50 to find 5 or something.
Right.
I'm curious to see the numbers when it's all said and done. Like, cause if you think about it, if you find one hitter, you can make your money back tenfold for whatever that was. You know what I mean? Like you just need to find one shark to make all that money back potentially in one day.
Duct cleaning business owners, if you're struggling to reach your capacity and you can take on more jobs, but you don't know how, click the link below and we'll show you.